Good afternoon. I'm here in Wireless Road in Bangkok. Most of you probably already know that I'm a real estate agent. So today I want to show you guys something special. I'm here at a building called 98 Wireless, which is the most luxury and expensive building in Bangkok. And I'm gonna show you a 2-bedroom. Let me first show you the entrance hall. So this is the lobby. And here inside the lobby, most of the furniture are original European antiques. And they really went out of their way to make this a very special place. And yeah, I've seen most buildings in Bangkok, and this is by far the most luxury and expensive one of them all. The 98 Wireless is the flagship of the Sansiri company. Here you have the garden area. Yeah, the whole atmosphere here is almost like you're in a European palace. So this is next to the house of the American ambassador on Wireless Road. Yeah, the building only has 25 floors and 77 units, but the floors are very high, so that's why it looks higher. Let me bring you up to the apartment. Yeah, so when you arrive in the apartment, you have your private elevator and you step straight into your apartment. One of the things why it's very good is because of the location. So this is in Wireless Road. Here you have the house of the ambassador, the American ambassador. There you have the Dutch embassy, and in the back the American embassy. And what makes this building also very special is that this is freehold. And in this area most properties and most land is owned by the royal family. And for that it's only leasehold, which means that you can only own it for a certain amount of years. But this is one of the only freehold buildings in this area. So the furniture in this apartment is all by Bernard. So the size of this unit is 134 square meters. If you want to rent it, it will be 300,000 baht per month. And it's also for sale for 125 million. So yeah, 300,000 baht per month is like $10,000 or 8,500 euros. So the kitchen is equipped by Gaggenau appliances. Yeah, what I said, this is something special, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Yeah, in this building they have a green Bentley, and once a month you can use that car for maybe do a pickup from the airport, or if you want to go shopping. So that's when you rent or buy here, that's included in the price. Yeah, so throughout the building they use the highest quality of products, and a very good example is here the marble. So this is all from Italy, and they call it like butterfly, which means that you can see that the two parts are exactly the same. That means that they cut the marble in half and split it open. And this is a process that's really expensive. And yeah, you will see it throughout the building. You see it also here on the floor. You everywhere have this butterfly concept. All the bathroom equipment is by Calista. So if you're a resident at 98 Wireless, you have access to these meeting rooms here as well. You can use them anytime, or you can just rent them if you have a group or friends and family coming over. Yeah, it's almost like you have a feeling that you live in a palace, right? So this is called the Witayu Tea Room. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line. I see you guys in my next video.